Okay, YouTube, we're back. So we cut through a little bit, and we're using the another firework. Oh, dang! Just gonna. Okay, I cut through. Like I made a second part of the joke for the 4th of July. Wow, this is amazing. Sorry about that, YouTube. This whole smoke. Boom, boom. Is it another type of fireworks? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm moving away, I'm moving away. Is that it? Should I move further, or I should... Okay, I think that was it. Let's go on the next firework. Okay. We have a box right here, you see? Got this box right here. This 4th of July is the craziest time. Just like the 2020 fireworks. It was a crazy time with this situation. But who knows? Since that, every fireworks is started over years and years and years. If you know that. I actually bought these fireworks from the store if you knew that. Whoa. Okay. Oh, with this one? Okay, I guess we're gonna go with this one. Oh ho! Whoa! Okay, we're on this. We're on the next fireworks. Is it going, or is it? Dang! We are surrounded by a whole bunch of fireworks that we're watching out there. Is my dad ready for the firework? Okay, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Run. Okay, guys, give me about 1 second. I guess my dad having a little bit of trouble with the fireworks. Okay, he's ready. I think. Okay, I think it's ready. Is it? Okay, run, 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 run. Okay, run. Okay, I guess this is happening. Wow. Is it almost ready? Is it? All right. Still have plenty of fireworks left. I might put a lot of parts of fireworks. We're moving away, okay. See the other guys doing fireworks. Fireworks. It's the holiday of fireworks. Huh. Excuse me. Oh look. Yep. This is what I mean. Fireworks everywhere, just like last year of 2020. Okay. Okay, my dad's looking for this firework right now. This is TNT. I hope so. He's trying to find the line of the fireworks. I think my dad finds it, I think. But you thinking what I'm thinking. Whoa! I think it's gone. I think we're on for the. I think we might have. I think we're on the. I think we're on 2 fireworks. I think 2 more fireworks, but I'm gonna skip ahead. Well, I'll see you. I'm gonna skip ahead. I think. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna skip ahead. Okay. Here I go.